and OMG, face and still had enough.
Really wanting to understand, I tried it half-half. Stay far away. What is up, everybody? This is Seoul in Yoo-hoo. Welcome back to my channel. So your favorite video is right here. If you guys scroll down social media, oh, is that real? So your shopping cart is probably full, but before you pay it, wait a moment. Please watch this video until the end. I gather all the viral K-beauty products and bought it and tested to myself, so you don't have to. 100% brutally honest opinion. Disclaimer, I don't hate the brand. It's the pure opinion about the such product. I am almost 40 years old, so my skin dry, mature, sensitive, but Korean summer is very sticky and humid, so it's getting a little normal at summer. Hit the subscribe and like me and put the notification bell so don't miss out new video. Don't waste more money. It's enough for me. Anybody try these products? Please share your experience so we can help each other. Let's get started.
Medicube Vita Sieve Capsule Cream and the PDRN Collagen Capsule Cream. You've seen it at TikTok, right? Hello, glass skin. So I went all in, dropped all the capsules all over my face like the model, and OMG, the amount, it was insane. Okay, maybe I need the booster shot, so I cranked it up to mode 3 for like 8 minutes straight, and still so much. Booster shot helps with absorption, but how much? 3 or 5%? Because no way my face is eating this whole thing. Your skin isn't a black hole, it's a barrier. It's made to protect you, not to just suck up an entire jar of cream. I could have just wasted, you know me, I slapped the rest all over my body. Also, it was sold out at Olive Young, so I ended up ordering from Medicube's official site. Viral marketing strikes again.
Medicube, I think they are a good marketing company, not a cosmetic company. So it's not even a big deal about making boba cream because it's a gel and then capsule mixing. It's just like a cream, but they make it very cute, pink, and then yellow like capsules and make it pretty. Very social media friendly, but not that special. So collagen is a new version, but I used this for a while. Ow, ouch. A little different from the cute boba, right? It all mixed. I'm more dry skin, and basically other transparent is a gel, so that one just feels like nothing. It's a watery. The capsule is a real cream. So whenever I used this Vita C cream last year, I tried it to only use more like a yellow cream. Make it like a half size and then cheaper, and then make only cream. That can still work. Medicube said this is a little lighter. This is more heavier, more hydration. I tried it half-half. I don't really see that difference. So for dry skin, you will prefer the boba only. That's more thick moisturizer. Or more oily skin, I think anyway heavy, just get a normal moisturizer. If you're dry skin, you can get with the AESTURA cream, or oily skin, get a gel cream. I will recommend later. Not worth it. Next, another Medicube is a jelly cream. I reviewed this last year. Still so hyped it on social media. So I tried it again. I hate it so bad. Oh my god, too heavy, too sticky. So if you're oily, combo skin, stay far away. Saw the reviews on Amazon, and some lady said this feels like a suffocating and it feels like a slathering peak of fat on the face. Exactly. Named it jelly cream, but it's more like a Vaseline. You put it, feels like something oil stick it on me. Stay 3-4 hours sticky. You can only put it at home. You cannot put it before makeup, never ever, like very limited and this much big amount. So if you already have it, highly recommend to use it like a Vaseline. Put whatever moisturizer, and if you feel dryness, you can use it to seal it mainly here, but not to the whole face. Medicube love like social marketing. They do a lot of TikTok and stuff. Biggest health and beauty store, Olive Young, they don't carry this. They already know Koreans will hate this texture because if you think about the sauna and if you put the Vaseline, ew! I guess that jelly cream can only appeal to Caucasians over 50, 60 years old, really mature, thin skin. For them, if you apply it, wow, you can see the glow. You never seen it before. So it can be appeal, but very limited people, okay? But except that, if you're younger than me, my age, please skip. Boba cream, still you can use it, but this one, just please don't waste your money. I'm gonna move on to 3 gel cream. Comparing to other thick cream, more like a watery and not too heavy. Dry, mature skin, just skip that. I put these 3, a little different, but max 50 minutes, like nothing happened. But teens, man, or oily or combo skin, and if it's the summer, these 3 pretty good option. Still give you hydration, fully more watery version, not oil, because you already have your oil, but still need hydration. Purito gel cream, highly requested. Like nobody knows here, it's viral brand. So I was a little skeptical, but tried it like 3 of the moisturizers here on the face. This one was the most long lasting. The description says if you want more hydration, you have to mix with a heavier moisturizer, only for the dry mature skin. But if you're oily combo skin for men, only this after the toner, I think still very good. Great tube type. From now on until the summer, for this, gentle, affordable. Isntree, very famous with making great product with a hyaluronic acid. Amazing, especially at the humid summer. Can hold 10 times much water than your size. So it makes it really hydrated, but not as long lasting as Purito, but pretty good, still pretty good. And no scent, iUNIK. I don't understand why people use this, okay? I really wanted to understand like the oily skin, but this is just pure water. I feel like a aloe gel. If I put it, no joke, 5 minutes later, nothing happened. It's not sticky, very light. This is it, just pure water. If you like this, why don't you buy like a Bring Green huge aloe gel? That's a lot more bigger and a lot more affordable. For oily combo skin and acne prone skin become more oily, if you got more like warm, heated. So, oh, this one feels pretty cool. So if you use this kind of like calming, like a gel, it makes your skin temperature go down. But this one, I don't see the difference between aloe gel. Maybe if you're allergic to aloe gel, you can try it out. But other than that, just keep aloe gel, that's better. Or only this, it's gonna be gone. I put a video about like how to do like an aloe mask. You put it at the wet cotton swab and put it whole face for like a 10 minutes. It just literally cool down. It feels like you put your face on the refrigerator, and especially at the summer, anybody who has a red and anybody need like too much oil production, making cool down feels a lot better. Not this, just no. Go with the aloe gel. After you got a little better with the redness, you can just move on to Purito or Isntree. iUNIK. Sorry! Moving on to some sheet mask. But in Medicube is so viral. Collagen gel type, I don't like it. Sheet mask. It doesn't paste well, you won't use it. But this one is just like, even though it's a separate upper down, it doesn't really stick well. I tried to paste it tears. $6-7 US, so not that cheap. Worse than $1 or $2 sheet mask. I get this last year, maybe the first version. So it only says you leave it 20-30 minutes and remove it. So I did it, but time passed, it became transparent, but nothing happened, and then it was so annoying, it just like going down, so I just get rid of it. But I check it out Medicube website, and they maybe changed the instruction. You have to leave it at least like 3 hours. Like, what? Only doing that, it actually dries out more. So just like a Biodance, you actually have to do all the skincare and you use this sheet mask as a seal. Just don't like it, something burdensome, you won't use it. Well, I'm so lazy. After take it off, I can feel hydrating. But I see from the many reviews, the scent is kind of strong. It's hydrating, but it doesn't last like that long. I would just rather get the Torridin sheet mask, which is just like $1, and then do it 15 minutes, done. No need to buy.
Next, Vita Cica Daily Soothing Mask. Thin and cheap sheet. Doesn't fall off completely, but it does slide down while wearing it. The hydration payoff isn't worth the effort. Reminds me of those low-quality sheet masks they used to hand out for free in Myeongdong. Honestly, the HANYUL mugwort toner pads hold a way more serum and are far more moisturizing. Even the lifting serum I'll be introducing later gives better hydration. Nope. Last one is the Numbuzin Lifting-sil mask all over YouTube between Korean beauty YouTubers. Supposed to lift your jawline and help with puffiness. Bottom part of the mask has a hole, but it goes under your chin, not your mouth. You hook it around your ears, and I was wearing a headband, but still got serum all over my ears and hair. So messy. My face is on the smaller side, so there were 2 ear slots. I went with a tighter one. Wow, there is so much serum. Definitely put it on over sync. I even added more to my face and still had enough left over for my body. Hydration wise, great, but honestly, they hyped it up the lifting effect so much that it just ended up being a bit uncomfortable. My ears felt tired, and even on the tighter setting, I didn't really feel much lift. If you're in your 30s or older with normal to dry skin, it might be worth trying it. The serum is actually really nice, super moisturizing, so I kind of wish they just turned it into a regular sheet mask. Out of the 3 I tried it, this one was my favorite.
Next, 2 lifting serums. Numbuzin number 9, lifting essence. Everywhere social media, so you guys probably seen it. It's the same line, lifting mask and that serum. Careful, this contains shea butter and some people react to it, and also has a lot of ingredients which is fermented. So if you guys are reacting to that, please check it out here and try that. Texture pretty heavy and very milky, but surprisingly, if you applied it well, go inside pretty well. Before the makeup, still totally work because of the heavy texture. Like oily, combo skin, if you're under 30, you will feel this is too much. Dry, mature skin, and if you're over 40, 50s, you can try it out. But I didn't feel anything lifting. Just hydrating serum. 성분 editor lifting ampoule.
See that 59% off? This brand actually did a 1+1+1 deal before too. Like buy one and get 2 more for free. Pretty crazy, right? Packaging unique. You actually stick a syringe into the bottle and pull the product out to use it. They are trying to highlight how concentrated it is. But there's no cap, not travel friendly, and kind of hassle to apply. See those gold threads inside? That's collagen. They melt when you rub it in. Once it mixes with your clear liquid, feels really smooth and goes on nicely. Absorb pretty fast too. I tested on my half face and compared it to Numbuzin, and this kept my skin moisturized for longer. Brand claims softening smile lines or lifting effect. Didn't really see any of that. But if you can grab it on sale, not a bad buy, especially if you're in your 30s or up and starting to worry about fine lines and wrinkles.
Moving on to the makeup. Many of you guys requested me House of Her liquid blush. They have a lot more, like 6 or 7 colors, but I feel these 2 will be the most easy and pretty much okay to use it for everybody. So I bought it and tried it. Not bad, but I just don't ended up using that much. I can understand the hype. Good, because this is a smaller version. They sell smaller version. That's like a plus. The Rare Beauty Western liquid blush is too much pigmented. So for Asian skin, or if you're beginner, just don't know how to control it, you ended up, oh my god, I look like I got a fever, right? Blends so well. Pretty good. They're more like a pink peachy. And this is my holy grail and recommended so many times last year. And number 1 liquid blush from Olive Young.
I swatched them side by side because my holy grail is Dear Dahlia NARS liquid blush and the one from House of Her have almost identical shades. All 3 blend well. The most expensive one, NARS, definitely gives off the most radiance. Go for it if you want glass skin. Dear Dahlia has less glow, but the color payoff is better than House of Her. House of Her feels the most diluted, like it has more water in it. It's a more affordable option to try, but I'll be sticking with the 2.
Another cutie Roman cream chick. So cute. They said you can roll it. So very creative. Not that bad, but you have to control well. Because if you go directly, my foundation was really light, so it doesn't peel. But I think if you roll it, this one very wet, so it can just go on. A little more work, but you can tap it and then go ahead. Light and shows up the glow. So if you can control well, but I think you need a little more skill with a finger. This is it until today. Anything I want to listen your opinion, Seong, please tell me. Please put a comment.
Lately, been busy testing products with fellow makeup artists. A lot of you have been asking for BB cream reviews, so we've been testing out different ones and having long debates over which ones are the best. Thankfully, several brands have sent me samples and products to test. I feel like I need 10 faces right now. Also exciting news, the first sample of AKA Serum cream, yes, the one I've been fully involved in creating is finally here. We're testing it and discussing how to develop it further. Fingers crossed, you'll get to meet it by this year.
Thank you so much for coming today as well, and see you guys in the next video. 안녕! 안녕히 가세요.